We just poured in enough smashed Doritos to cover the bottom of our pie crust, and now we're just spreading this all around. Next, we have a pound of ground beef here that we seasoned with some taco seasoning, and we are dumping all of that right here into our pie crust. I'll just even that out as well, right over the top. Ooh, you guys, wait till you see this cool little dinner that we are making. Okay, that looks great. Next, I have some salsa. Now here I have about a half a container because I know that that's all I'm going to use. And in with this salsa, I'm going to take a little container of sour cream here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and plop that right into our salsa. Okay, that looks like just about enough right there, perfect. Mixing that all up. So, you know, what I would say is, even if you don't like things spicy, I went with a medium salsa. Anytime I feel like, of course, you mix sour cream, it always brings down the heat of the salsa. So if you like spicy, definitely go with spicy, maybe even extra spicy if that's your thing. And if you don't like spicy, well, don't worry, mild will not be spicy at all. Actually, medium's not really either. All right, so we have this all mixed up. Look at that, that salsa and sour cream, tongue-tied there, is going to make such a great tasting sauce that we're pouring right over this beef. And once again, I'm just going to take my fork here and I'm gonna spread it all the way around, just like this. Look at how easy this is. There's already so much flavor in here, and the Doritos are so fun to use. Next here, I have some mozzarella cheese. Let's see if I can open that on up. And look at that, Walter is just sitting here. He is like getting excited. He must smell how good this is turning out, huh? Don't worry, Walter, we'll share. All right, so we're just spreading a little bit of mozzarella cheese right over the sour cream salsa sauce that we just made. And I would say that is just about good for my liking. Of course, do it to your liking or what fits in the pie crust. We are going to come right back in with these smashed Doritos, and we're just going to put a nice layer on top of this delicious little taco pie that we're making. We'll go ahead and spread all of those Doritos out. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is gonna make such a nice little crispy, crunchy top. And I love, oh, sorry, Walter. Sorry about that. I love the extra little flavor that the Doritos provide, and it just makes it really fun. Lastly, we have just a little bit of melted butter right here, and we're going to slowly pour it right over the top. Look at all that melted butter. Ooh, it is looking so good. And these Doritos on top are gonna get nice and crispy, maybe even a little bit golden brown, and that's exactly what we want. All right, look at that. Delicious. That is it, you guys. Look at how easy this little taco Dorito pie is, and wait until you see what happens when we bake this in the oven, and all of that sour cream and that salsa is gonna bake in with that ground beef. It's gonna go perfect with the mozzarella cheese and the nacho Doritos. I can't wait to show you. Stick around. We're throwing it in at 350 for 25 minutes, and we should be good to go. Look at that. Our Dorito taco pie is all done, you guys. This is gonna be so good. Ooh. Okay, let's see. We're just gonna get right in here. Ooh, I hear the crunch of the Doritos. Do you hear that? Ooh, it's crunchy. Let's go ahead and cut us. Oh my gosh, I smell the cheesy Doritos. Ooh, the hamburger meat smells good too. All right, look, that looks like a pretty good triangle we got there. I'm just gonna come on in and scoop that out. Oh, look at that. It is, ooh, look at all that cheese right there. Look at how cheesy that is. Oh my goodness, we are eating good tonight. All right, let's plop that right there on the plate. And let's see, Erica's been dying to have this, babe. Come on over here. We have a little cheesy goodness. We got some Doritos, and we have that sauce with the cream, or with the cream cheese, with the sour cream, and the salsa. I'm a little bit tongue-tied today. You know, sometimes it just goes that way. All right, ready for this, girlfriend? All right, big bite in. Ooh, Yeah, I know, because I know you love cheesy Doritos, don't you? Do you like it? You want some more of it? All right, here you go. You can take that. All right, you guys, let me know what you think of this. You can see we got all the layers of goodness right there inside, and I really do think the salsa and the sour cream bring it all together. What a fun little twist on a dinner that is super easy to make. Let me know what you think of this. Are you a fan of Doritos? Have you ever tried anything like this? Tell me in the comments, and I'll see you soon.